Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want more sales on Etsy? Try this simple shipping trick. Well, offering free shipping on Etsy can boost conversions and search visibility. We all know this. So on how to access this, how to go through all of these settings, simply by going through Shop Manager. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to offer free shipping on Etsy. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go ahead and open your device. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Etsy.com. After this, we're gonna tap on the link, open this new tab, then go log in using your email address and password to access all of this information. Now it's time to access Shop Manager. Look for settings, shipping settings, then edit or create a shipping profile. Now set shipping price to free for domestic and international if you choose. Then tap on save. Apply the shipping profile to your listings. As for the alt method, you can open an individual listing, then scroll through shipping, set shipping cost to free, then publish it. Then you can send the link to the buyer itself. It's totally fine. As for like a bonus tips, increase product price slightly to cover the shipping costs. Then keep the free shipping label on, since free shipping option improves mobile conversions. It's like a simple trick. It works best for lightweight items. And that's the whole idea. So basically, as I told you, try to make the basically product price slightly more like just basically more expensive, like not fully expensive, just a little bit, so you can cover the actual shipping cost. Then you can put on the free shipping label. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.